Question 3. What kind of media institution might distribute your media product and why? In this video, I will explain how my magazine JT is produced and distributed. My magazine will be sold nationally because it is a niche audience, but there are many jazz events that happen across the country, so I need to appeal to a wide range of audience. My magazine costs £1.60. Compared to some magazines, this is a cheap price, but my magazine is a niche audience, so it wouldn't cost as much, and there won't be as much happening in the magazine as a rock or pop magazine. This is also why the frequency of my magazine is once a month. My magazine will be produced on non-glossy paper because it is a niche magazine. Even though my magazine has a niche audience, because it is distributed nationally, my magazine will be part of a multinational conglomerate. I think that JT will be part of Bauer Media, because although they own many mainstream magazines, they also own magazines that are for niche audiences. Also, my magazine is similar to the layout of Mojo, and Bauer Media own that magazine. I will now discuss the advantages and disadvantages of picking these options. An advantage to selling my magazine nationally is that the magazine can reach a wide range of audiences. However, a disadvantage is that my magazine won't be targeting one area, so I won't be able to advertise small events. An advantage to the price of it only being £1.60 is that it isn't very expensive, so more people will be able to buy the magazine. A disadvantage is that the company wouldn't get as much money as magazines such as Q or Mojo. An advantage to the magazine being sold monthly is that the magazine can get the most information in the jazz genre because not a lot happens in the jazz culture every month. However, because it is a monthly magazine, it will be competing with other monthly jazz magazines such as Downbeat. An advantage to using non-glossy paper is that it won't cost as much. A disadvantage is that it could not look as good to some readers. An advantage to the magazine being part of Bauer Media is that Bauer Media have a lot of money, so they can distribute more copies and on different platforms. The audience could get the magazine in an interactive way, such as downloads of the magazine. This could allow synergy for the magazine. By Shannon Worthington.